Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pam. I'm from Pamela's Creations, and I'm here today to do Tassel Tuesday. Tassel Tuesday is hosted by Creating with Jovi. I will link her channel down below in the description box. It's an open collaboration where you can jump in, you can jump out. You don't have to do it every Tuesday. That's why I love open collaborations. It's not a requirement, and if you want to do it one time and then not another, it's totally up to you. So she is hosting this, and I've done quite a bit and learned quite a bit on making tassels. And last week I didn't make any tassels, but this week I am going to show you what I made for this week. And if you go over to Jovi's channel, she'll have everyone that's participating in Tassel Tuesday in the description box description box down below, so you can check her out. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to keep on with this every Tuesday, but I'm gonna try and do what I can when I can. So that's all I can say for now. So this is my first tassel, and when I was learning about her channel and making tassels and everything, finding out that you can do more with just besides embroidery thread, and that's honestly, yarn and embroidery thread was the only ways I knew you could make tassels. And when I started watching Jovi, she makes these beautiful tassels out of just fibers, anything fiber, you know, like material and stuff, cotton. It's great, and I've learned a lot from her. She also has an Etsy shop that she sells tassel kits, and I made a tassel kit with one of her tassel kits on a oh my gosh, if I could just spit it out, on a Tassel Tuesday. I will link that card somewhere here so you guys can see the tassel kit I made. So here's that. Okay. And these beads here came from Kathy's Favorite Things. It came in some mail she sent me, and so I just hooked it on there, and this bead came from Michael's. So just kind of plain and simple paint Jane. I still need to adjust the ends, but I kind of ran out of time, and I was fighting with a needle that was giving me fits. So, and I didn't add anything to this one. I just, you know, put it like that. And I was just going to add them to packages or something. And then there's the white one. And this came from Kathy's Favorite Things. Again, she made this, and Michael's bead. So these are my tassels for Tassel Tuesday. Like I said, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it all the time now or what, but you'll see hashtag Tassel Tuesday, and then just come over and check it out and see what I have to show you. So please go check out Jovi's channel, Creating with Jovi, and look at her wonderful tassels that she makes. And I hope to see you guys in another video. Please like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the thumbs up and the notification bell so you can see more of my videos. Alright everyone, take care, stay safe, and God bless. Bye.